Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is a list of top
trash compactor replacement parts.
If you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Air. As clean as the world's most pristine places on Earth. That's what Broan-NuTone is helping families come home to every day. Broan-NuTone is improving your life by improving the air you and your loved ones breathe. Our innovative ventilation products are designed to clean and freshen the air around you, and to look as good as they perform. It's exactly why we're the leaders in home ventilation. Going about daily life at home generates excess humidity and increases harmful chemicals in the air. But we're here to help you make sure your home is safer, cleaner, more comfortable, and full of fresh air. While you get ready for your busy day, Broan-NuTone products are quietly working to better your air quality. As you work to stay healthy, we're working to keep the air you breathe healthier. When you're nurturing the ones you love, going about excess humidity and increases, but we're here to help you make sure your home is safer. While you get ready for your busy day, as you work to stay healthy, breathe healthier. When we're busy removing harmful, unseen particles as you take care of your family. Broan-NuTone home. So when you go to bed at night, you have the comfort knowing is as clean. Broan-NuTone. Come home to fresh air.